Narayan Bali Puja in Gokarna. 6 facts about Narayan Bali Puja. In this video, we attempt to clarify 6 untold truths about the Narayan Bali Puja in Gokarna. Fact number 1. Why is Gokarna the ideal place for the Narayan Bali Puja? Gokarna is renowned for its pristine beaches and temple towns. Gokarna is believed to be one of the few places where Lord Shiva manifested himself in the form of an Atmalinga. The temple is called Mahabaleshwar Temple. The temple is home to a sacred Atma Lingam. The town's location on the shores of the Arabian Sea adds to its mystical charm, and so Gokarna is a vibrant and highly energetic center. Gokarna's rich cultural heritage and the presence of numerous ancient temples contribute to the town's spiritual ambience. Above and beyond the availability of highly qualified Vedic experts and the presence of Koti Tirtha holy site to perform Narayan Bali Puja. Fact number 2. The significance of Koti Tirtha in Gokarna. Spiritual significance. The Koti Tirtha is considered one of the most auspicious places to perform the Narayan Bali Puja. This place is at a walkable distance of around 200 meters from the Gokarna Mahabaleshwar temple. It is believed to amplify the spiritual benefits of the ritual. It is said that taking a dip in the sacred waters of the Koti Tirtha before performing the puja can purify the mind, body, and soul, preparing the devotee for the profound experience that lies ahead. Around 80% of the people conduct puja here. Historical relevance. According to ancient scriptures, the Koti Tirtha was the place where Lord Shiva offered a bali, that is a sacrifice, to Lord Vishnu, symbolizing the unity of the two deities. Fact number 3. The duration of the Narayan Bali Puja, normally, is 1 day. Exclusive and individual puja, but there is a sequence to doing pujas. Narayan Bali Puja Tripindi and if required Nagabali. However, few priests perform for 2 days. 2 days means 50% first day and 50% second day. The puja duration is the same whether you conduct it 1 day or 2 days. The total puja duration varies from 3 hours to 4 hours. This depends on the number of Tilahomam Sankyas and the number of Brahmins. Fact number 4. Narayan Bali Puja Procedures. Narayan Bali Sankalp, Vinayak Puja, Kalsha Stapane, Preta Ahvana, Brahma, Vishnu Yama Rudra, and Savitra Gayatri Mantras. Dasa Pinda Pradana, Panchak Shraddha, Narayan Bali Homa, Tila Homa, Purna Ahuti, Visarjane and cleansing. Prasadam. Fact number 5. When should I perform Narayan Bali Puja in Gokarna? This puja is performed every day. Gokarna is a Punya Kshetra and the holy place is meant for the Narayan Bali Puja. Auspicious days are not decided on the basis of the nakshatram or zodiac sign. However, you can perform on any one of the Agni days, or on any Amavasya day, or during the Pitra Paksh. Fact number 6. Languages spoken by the priests during the puja and during the inquiry Gokarna. Priests speak Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, Marathi, English, and Konkani. Few priests also speak Tamil and Malayalam. The entire puja is in Sanskrit only. Priests use other languages for communication purposes and to explain puja procedures in their native language. Contact Gokarna Puja Services and Punyashrama to embrace the spiritual journey of the Narayan Bali Puja in Gokarna.